Hey everyone, welcome back. Our building grounds textures are placed against slowing blurry, missing or glitched in PUBG Mobile, especially right after a big update. Here's the fix. Texture glitches almost always come from a corrupted or incomplete resources cache, which is especially common right after major content updates like version 4.2. So first force close PUBG Mobile completely from your recent apps and then reopen it, since a fresh launch often redownloads and corrects broken texture files automatically if the glitch proceeds. Open PUBG Mobile and use the repair icon on the initial loading screen before logging in, which scans and replaces the corrupted texture and assets files. If textures are missing, glitching after a repair, then go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and find PUBG Mobile, tap on it, tap offload app, then go to your app store, search for PUBG Mobile, and reinstall it fresh from there. This fully clears out damaged access files for a force and forces a clean re-download of all the maps and character graphics. Also, check the App Store for any pending PUBG Mobile updates, since texture bugs are frequently patched in follow-up releases. So all you've got to do is force close and reopen, run the repair tool on the loading screen, then offload and reinstall for a clean texture download. Glitches clear up and that's it. Subscribe.